Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to set gesture navigation on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! First of all, we want to head into our settings. Inside settings, you want to scroll all the way down. Then enter System. And after going into System, we want to head into Gestures. Finally, you want to enter Navigation mode. And in here, we can simply switch from free button navigation to gesture navigation. You will notice that our buttons have now been removed, and always we can go into cogwheel to, for example, increase the sensitivity of certain edges if we happen to have troubles with navigation mode of gestures. Also, we can click this button and we can go into that's pretty funny, we can go into the tutorial on how to use gestures. Just like that. But I don't really want to do that, so yeah, let's simply go and click done. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.